Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to pin a chat on Viber. Maybe you have an important conversation that you want to keep easily accessible, or you simply want to prioritize certain chats. So today I'm going to show you how to pin a chat on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, locate the chat that you want to pin. For example, I want to pin this conversation, so long press on the chat. This will bring up a menu with various options. In this menu, since you wanted to pin this conversation, simply tap on this pin to top option. After that, the chat will now be pinned to the top of your chat list, and it will remain there even if you receive new messages from other chats. You can pin multiple chats if needed, and they will be arranged in order you pinned them. There you go. If you wanted to know how to pin a chat on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to pin a chat on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.